Makerspace Camp is this great program that we get to do for 3rd to 5th graders who are LPS students, and they come here for the entire month of June, and they're in a group, and that group gets to rotate through some different STEM experiences, including 3D printing units, esports, aviation, STEM Without Borders, and multimedia. There's just so much.
We're making puppets. We made the puppets yesterday and we're just painting them and adding accessories today. It's actually pretty fun.
It's an amazing opportunity for them to extend their learning past the school year. During the school year, every elementary student has a makerspace once a week at their school, but this is just pure, concentrated, awesome.
I've learned more about cameras and I've learned how to edit more. I've learned how to focus and I've learned about the B-roll. A lot of cool stuff.
You can put it in here. And now you are going to take these and you're going to look at them.
I learned lots of things, to be yourself and to be kind and just to be fun.
Come on, guys, let's get on. We made it up here. Press the button.
We get to see kids learn new things, be introduced to so many things that they think are out of their reach. They've seen 3D printing on TV, they've heard 3D printing, they might have held something, but to actually get to design and then see something 3D printed that they made, fantastic.
I thought I was just gonna just sit in a chair and start making a whole bunch of stuff. I didn't think I was gonna start 3D printing.
What's been your favorite part?
My favorite part is coming into this school and learning stuff.
My favorite part is the editing, because you like to look at the funny parts and it's just hilarious.
What's been your favorite part?
Talking to new friends I made and the 3D printing.
It's my favorite thing in the whole world. It's my reason for this job, and it makes everything worthwhile. Every meeting, every email, every phone call is worth it because we get to see the kids at Makerspace Camp thrive.